So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show us how to make use of this scalping strategy on volatility 75 index on the 1 minute time frame. This strategy is to be used to scalp the volatility 75 market, and we are going to take our profits when this indicator gets to the 15 level. Okay, so the way we want to make use of this strategy is to wait for the market to give us 4 or 5 candles. Okay, so you can see that we have the first, second, third, fourth and the fifth candle. Okay, so we can decide to close after the fifth candle. Okay, or we can decide to hold our trade and wait for price to get to the 15 level here. Okay, so we are just going to hold this trade and see what will happen to this strategy. All right, so we want to see the market get to this oversold condition. Okay, and then we are going to take our take profit. So you can see that we actually entered the market somewhere around here. It was like a sniper entry. Okay, and the reason was because of the RSI indicator and the stochastic indicator. So before the end of this video, definitely I'm going to share the settings to use to enter this trade, the RSI indicator and the stochastic indicator. Okay, so before we enter this trade, the first thing we have to note is we are going to add the RSI indicator to our chart. Okay, and the way we are going to add it is just to click on this particular icon here on our screen, and then you can see that the RSI indicator, these are the settings for the RSI indicator. Okay, you can see the period here, and then you apply to close, the pixel and the color. Okay, so we have these levels here that we can use for our entry and our take profit. Okay, so after that has been added, we can click on save. All right, and then we can go back. So I think I'm just going to close this trade now because price did not actually get to our oversold condition. Okay, because that is one of the conditions we want to see price get to our oversold conditions. Okay, so you can see in our previous data, price actually got to our oversold condition. So we are going to wait, either we take our profits whenever price forms 5 candle here, or we take our profits whenever we get to our oversold. So the way price does it is that price can either get to this level here or price does not get to it. Okay, so you can decide to choose if you want price to get to this level or you want to take your profit after 5 candles has formed. Okay, so we are going to add the stochastic indicator now to our chart to see how we can use it. Okay, and then I'm going to show us how to make use of this strategy. So you can see the stochastic indicator. Okay, so you can see the stochastic indicator. So the way to add it, the stochastic indicator, is just to click on this main chart here. Okay, and then you can go ahead to click on that F plus symbol, and then under the oscillators here you can see the stochastic oscillator here. Okay, and then you can add it up. So I already have it on my chart, so these are just the settings. Okay, so the K period is 5, the D period is 3, and the slow is 3, and your price feed will be low high, your method will be simple, your main will be 2 pixel, your signal 2 pixel, and then your levels, these are your levels. Okay, so for your levels it is 85 and 15. All right, you can adjust it to any level you want, but just stick to 85 and 15, and then you can apply to all time frame. Okay, and then you can click on save here. Okay, and then when you go back you can see that we have it here. So how do we use this indicator? Okay, let me just close this trade now, because it's as though price doesn't want to get to our 15 level. Okay, but that's how we want to take our profits. We are just scalping on the 1 minute time frame, so we'll just close now. Okay, we are just scalping. So what we want to do is we want to see price gets to either this 80 or above the 90. Okay, so once price cross above the 80 level, all right, or the 90 level, so the first condition is just to watch out for price on the RSI indicator to cross above the 80 or the 90 level, and then we can get to the stochastic indicator here and wait for price to cross above the 85 level. Okay, so we want to see price cross above the 85 level, and then price is coming out. Okay, so immediately price crosses above the 85 level here, guys, make sure price crosses above it, and then price is above the 80 level here. Okay, then immediately we see that we can enter the market. All right, we can enter the market and take 5 candles. You can see the first candle we took, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Okay, now as a bonus tip, to be able to enter this trade confidently, you can go to the 5 minutes time frame. And on the 5 minutes time frame, what you want to do is to locate like a resistance level. Okay, if I pull out my tool here now, I'm going to pull my tool here. You can see that this trade actually started moving from a particular resistance level here. I'm going to draw it out so that you can see the resistance level here. Okay, so you can see that price actually came to this resistance level, and that was why we saw price selling from that place. Okay, so you can see where price actually turned from. So this was like the resistance level here, and then if we come to our current price, you will see that price actually came to that resistance level here, and then price started turning. Okay, although the turn wasn't much, it's just to scalp the market. Okay, but our focus will be on these indicators. It will help us to know when exactly to enter the market. Okay, so guys, this is how we want to make use of this 1 minute scalping strategy. All right, now before you use this strategy, please, I would like you to test it out first of all on your demo account. Okay, so that you don't blow your account and you don't lose your fund. Okay guys, so this is how to make use of this 1 minute scalping strategy. Okay, so if you want to enter the market, you can decide to increase your lot size. Okay, remember the least lot size for volatility 75 index is 0.001. so you can decide to increase your lot size to maybe 0.01. Okay, so that you can make more profits. Okay guys, so guys, I'll see you in my next trading video. So stay profitable, and make sure you do not risk more than your account can hold. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next trading video. So cheers guys.